A big hello to all my little MMIans. How are you all, children? Oh wow, so nice to hear that you all are fine and good. Children, in my previous video, I had explained to you about the new letter that was letter K, and the sound of letter K was K. Letter K is the 11th letter of our English alphabet, and this is capital K and this is small k. Children, today we are going to learn how to write letter K from our Tinker book. So come on children, take out your Tinker book. See children, letter K is given to us on page number 41. Today we are going to learn how to write capital K. See children, this is capital K. These are the 4 lines, 2 pink lines and 2 blue lines. Starting from the pink line, we need to make a standing line from the pink line to the blue line. A little far away from the pink line itself, we need to make a forward slant line and then touch this blue line over here, and then from here itself we are going to make one backward slant line and we will touch this blue line. This is capital K. So easy, na children? Again we are going to write, see, these are the 4 lines, 2 pink lines and 2 blue lines. From the pink line till the blue line, one standing line. From the pink line, we need to make a forward slant line like this, a small forward slant line from the pink line till the blue line. Then from this blue line till this blue line, we will make one backward slant line. This is capital K. Okay children? And you are going to complete this page of writing capital K. Okay. Now children, here we are going to draw a picture, and that picture is lovely picture. You all love to fly kites. Yes. Today we are going to make the picture of a kite. For that, we need to make one forward slant line, then one backward slant line. From here, one backward slant line, and from here, one forward slant line. A small downward open curve and a standing line in between. And again, we are going from here in the bottom, we are going to make one triangle like this. This is a kite. You all are going to draw the picture of the kite and you are going to color it also. Okay children? Color it with your favorite color. Okay children? And now we are going to learn how to write letter K. Small k we are going to learn. Okay? Small k is given to us on page number 42 of our Tinker book. Before that, we need to circle the picture whose name starts with the sound of letter K. Kitten, pen. Yes, tell me, whose name starts with the sound of letter K? And you are going to comment me also in the comment box that which picture was sounding with letter K. Yes, it was letter K, and K for kitten. Circle the picture. Okay, and now we are going to write small k. See, small k is also very easy. These are the 4 lines, 2 pink lines and 2 blue lines. From the pink line, we are going to make one standing line as we did for capital K. From the pink line to the blue line, one standing line, and between these two blue lines we are going to make one forward slant line and one backward slant line. Okay, this forward slant line and this one we are going to make between these two blue lines only. Okay, this is small k. Once again we will write tracing part. Yes, see, Mama is going to give you dots over here. Okay, and you are going to write on these dots only. Okay, see here how we are going to write letter K. One standing line from the pink line to the blue line, and from the blue line only we are going to make one forward slant line and one backward slant line. This is small k. Children, you are going to do your writing work very neatly, okay, and you are not going to use erasers also. Okay children, there is one small activity given to us on page number 43. We have to color the pictures whose names start with letter K and write capital K and small k below them. Now see, K for kite. So we are going to color the picture of the kite and we are going to write capital K in the box, and we are going to write small k also. Okay children, like this. You are going to complete this page and you are going to tell me in the comment box that you have completed page number 43. Okay children? Children, there is one more activity given to us on page number 113 of our Tinker book. In this activity, we need to paste the ice cream sticks. See, I have got 3 ice cream sticks with me. Okay, so we need to paste them. You are going to apply glue on one side of the ice cream stick and you are going to place it over here. Okay, and paste it. Okay, stick it over here. And one more ice cream stick you are going to take and see. This is very big, na? So we are going to break it into 2 pieces. See children, I broke this ice cream stick into 2 pieces and I am going to paste it from here and one more stick from here, and I am going to make letter K. Okay, we are going to make letter K from the ice cream sticks. Okay children, you are going to complete this activity on page number 113. In the meantime, bye bye and have a good time. Enjoy.